How to use USB security key for Bank of America. Go to the Bank of America website and log into your account using your usual credentials. Navigate to the Security or Settings section of your account. This is usually found under the Profile or Security Center. Scroll down and turn on the two-factor authentication. Then tap Manage Security Keys. Then click USB Security Key. Click OK and insert the key into USB port. Touch the key when prompted. Then register your security key PIN. Then click OK. After that, you will be able to use your USB security key for Bank of America. Thanks for watching.